we started our business 20 years ago, and we made industrial SSD and memory, and we won the market the main market share in this area, especially for the industrial side. Okay, and now our product portfolio has been expanded as our main focus market from IoT to IoT to AIoT and now to Edge AI. So now our product portfolio expanded from the single module to the whole system, and also we make the Edge AI solutions with our partner, including Qualcomm, NVIDIA, and also Intel. Okay, and let's go this way. Okay, sorry, the booth might be a little bit crowded today, so okay, you can find a way which suits you. Okay. In here, you can see our Innodisk Edge AI building blocks, and those building blocks present our product portfolio the most. Especially, you can see those color on it, and those color are like building blocks. And by form those building blocks into a like infrastructure, our product can be integrated into a whole solution. And our product can span from 5 layers of Edge AI architecture, and they are computing, memory, storage, and also the sensing and communication, also the software. And all these 5 elements can form into the real case in Edge AI segmentation. Okay, and we have already integrated some of our product line into a solution which we can show you today. Let's move from the first side here. Actually, we have separated our main focus market into 2 categories. The first one would be the enterprise AI, and the second one would be the industry AI. And for this side, you can see our introduction and the application for enterprise AI. Okay. In this side, we showcase 2 of our solution called SOBrain and SOTune. And these are make the enterprise customer enable them to do the on-premise LLM, just build on their own site, their own server. So for this one, this is our Apex X200 Edge AI system. And by this, you can see it's doing the LLM-based enterprise AI assistant. Okay, and for this one, the Edge AI device is called Apex S100, and actually it's based on the MGX server architecture, and it's powered by Intel Xeon CPU and dual NVIDIA enterprise-grade CPU. So it can meet enterprise needs, which when they implement the LLM, maybe they will have some further demand to fine-tuning the model to make those AI model more suitable for their domain. So the fine-tuning needs, we can do it on this edge server architecture. Okay, and this is for our enterprise AI solution. And move to the, sorry, I think that one. Okay, thank you. This way, to the yellow side, Okay, and this is for our industry AI solution, and actually it's quite different from enterprise need, since for enterprise they need like higher computing power, and they are built in the data center or inside of the building. So and for industry side, maybe they are like the device are work at very harsh environment. So the Edge AI system and Edge AI solution, they will need like resistant to like temperature or the vibration. So in this situation, we built our solution on a truck in the construction site, and this is our camera module. As I have said, our product portfolio has been very rich now. So we also have the embedded camera module across from MIPI, USB, and GMSL. They are different interface using for the embedded system. And for this solution, let me get our PM to give you a introduction about this. Hold on a second.
I'm a camera PM. So in here you can see our intelligent mobility solutions. So we have showcased that with NVIDIA's platforms that will connect up to 8 cameras. In this heavy machinery environments, like we have put 4 cameras at the front to do the surrounded view with the stitching systems. That it can successfully provide more panoramic view for the drivers to increase the safety. And also the cameras at the back at the side, it has the people detection, object detection. So if I have showcased, if there's a people inside the view, it can detect there's people in the view, and there will be like alarming system to alarm the drivers that there's a person in the area, so you should be careful, be cautious. And also if the application can be set as a yellow zone, red zone. If the passenger if there's a person into the yellow zone, it could be alarming system. If there's a person or there's an object in the red zone, there could be a braking system to increase the safety for the heavy machinery, heavy truck, and also the construction safety environments. And also in here, we have demonstrated for the cameras, you can do the DMS, the driver monitor systems. So for example, if the camera will capture the driver's face detections, and right now it's like normal. If I put on the cell phone here, it will show the distracted. So it can detect it can monitor the driver's driving situation to increase whether there is sleepy or is drowsy, is distracted, and the system could have like maybe turn on the music volume, or maybe have the vibration to awake the drivers to also increase comprehensively increase the driving safeties. So let's move to the next sections here. Is everyone here? So everyone can like move forwards. Okay, in here we also showcase the AGS O-ring and connect up to 16 channels of camera modules. This is a maximum capacity of the AGS O-ring. So we have empower all the AGS O-rings to connect the 16 camera modules. You can see here there are 16 cameras in here. They are all in live. And apart from just the camera module itself and image quality tuning, we have demonstrated like more we can do, such as installations. For different applications, they will require different mounting kit. So we have a U-mount, like a pole mount, and every variety of the mounting kit to increase the installation, to ease the customers' pain point. And there's more for the installation, such as in industrial environment that could be harsh. So we have IP67. This is a waterproof camera modules. I can put underwater, and it still like can do the detection. It's still safety. And for even more with the IP69K, it can pass like a high water pressure jet. So for example, if the vehicle after the operation could be very, very dirty, and the operator could easily to use the water jet to clean the vehicle without taking off the camera modules. And for events such as construction site, mining pit, there could be like a rock flying around everywhere. So we have IK10s like equipped with our protective frame. It can stand the impact for the IK10 standards. And not only the camera modules, for the system that we have our own capture cards. So because GMS it's not like a USB plug and play ready, so it will require like with the serializer chipset inside the camera modules, and we have designed a deserializer chipset on the capture cards to allow the customer to be stress-free about the driving, the driver's deployment or like installation to the systems. Okay, so that's all for the camera modules introductions. Let's back to the Clara.
Okay.
Thank you.
An introduction of our camera solution, and for the next, I will introduce our partnership with Intel, Qualcomm, and later on we can see the NVIDIA solutions in the end of our tour. So let's move to the Intel part here. And for this solution, actually, our collaboration with Intel is started from very early stage of their new chipset came out. Actually, they have invited us to develop the reference kit for their new platform, including the Panther Lake platform, which is the newest one they made for the Edge AI application. And so let's move to here. Our infrastructure are also based by our own device, and the solution is made by our own team. So I'll leave the introduction to our product manager, Manny, to give you an introduction.
How? So everybody here. Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Manny, and this is our AI on the Intel Core Ultra booth. And for now, you can see this is the new product, Innodisk co-developed with the Intel. We call Panther Lake Island, and this product is focused on the robotic industrial because it have the very high performance, like around on the 180 tops to do the AI task. Do you know like the language model? Language model like the ChatGPT or visual language model is in the robotic is very special AI capability, right? So you can see in this demo we connect the one camera to do one vision language model process. It can understand the camera see and it describe the sentence like the storyteller. And the other one we have around this language model at the same time. It can understand the VLM sentence and get a key point, key information like the who, where, what, and objects. You can understand. And at the same time, you can summarize the item to the dashboard. And at the same time, you can understand we are look him, and you can introduce by itself. Okay, so you can see it's very high loading AI task on the one box, and it's on prem. It's always offline. Yeah, it's a list station. And the other one is a very classified computer vision for OCR. We like you can capture the text from the image. For example, we connect a camera, and do you see the information in the container? In the real world, sometimes the people need to find some information in a lot of the container. So can you image if I want you to find the Innodisk text in this picture? How do you find? Maybe you can use your eye, but if I use the computer vision, we can verify. Sorry. Yes, thank you. So I can use the camera to scan. You can find the Innodisk. It's very quick. So in the real world, I think the camera with the computer vision can do very well before the human eyes, right? So this is the Intel production just focus on the NPU and the new processor, GPU and the NPU.
About our collaboration with Intel Core Ultra, and for this side you can see this is our collaboration and partnership with the Qualcomm. And as you guys may know, Qualcomm, they are famous for they start their business from the mobile device, and now they have extended this advantage into the Edge AI area. And so they keep the advantage of they start from mobile device that their SoC, I mean their chips, are more focused on the power efficiency. so which is quite suitable for the usement in industry market. Yes, and now we have two solutions based on our AI on Qualcomm Dragonwing processor solutions. And for the left one, actually is a live demo which showcase the ultra low latency with the multi-channel inference. I mean the AI inference. And the left one is a demo box that it can support 6 application scenario at the edge, including VLM and also the monitoring and also the HEV supported, and also it can use in the factory to recognize the like personal protection. Yeah, so it's quite, it has a lot of applications supported in different vertical. And for the right one, this one is also based on the Dragonwing architecture. And in this site, you can see there's a wheel like turning, and when my hand is close to it, and it will stop. Since it's recognized my hand by the camera, you can see here, and this camera module are also provided by Innodisk, as you can see in that yellow site. Okay, and for this solution, it is engineered for the AMR and HEV solution, and it can be extended with 8 channel of camera and a 3D. This is a 3D depth sensor, and it can deliver a 360-degree of the awareness and real-time obstacle avoidance. And this one is powered by our Dragonwing IQ9 platform, also engineered by Innodisk and Qualcomm. Okay, and actually we have a very rich portfolio for the Qualcomm chipset series. Actually, their Dragonwing's SoC is spanning from IQ8, IQ9, IQ10, and IQX, and we have all the products that supported these 4 series. So our customer can choose by the computing power they need. Since the computing power is from like 40 to more than 700 tops. Yeah, okay, and this is our Qualcomm portfolio, and I'm sorry that our PM is not at the site, so if you have more questions about Qualcomm, you can just ask the PM later, yeah, when I find him. Okay, and let's move on to the next step. I think that would be our iCap solution. This way, please.
Hello, I'm Eric. This is a Qualcomm device. It's IQ9. Okay, so we not only cooperation with Qualcomm for the hardware device, but also we integrate with Qualcomm's edge impulse software, AI model training, and the inference platform. Okay, so in this demo, we will show off the edge impulse AI model training for the new version of AI model, and then our iCap is a device management platform, and also we integrate with the agentic AI function. So that means we can have an assistant, and this assistant can check if the edge impulse have a new version of AI model. Our assistant will download the new version of AI model and then download into the iCap server and then deploy the new model to the edge device and then update the AI model automatically. Okay, so this is our demo scenario. So here we build a new version. About 1 minute. So for the edge impulse, you have to choose the hardware device on its public cloud. Okay, so they can package and the transformation the AI model to this Qualcomm device. Okay. And we also preview we preview 2 AI model on the public cloud. One is detect object detection to detect SSD, and the other is DRAM. Okay. So we already generate a new version for SSD AI model. So our assistant get a new version of the AI model. We have a notification, and then you can press. So usually we have a new version available for SSD AI model. It's V46, and so we can press a confirm button to keep going the next process to download and to update. Yeah. And we have some trouble for the network issue, so maybe cannot update directory. So maybe you can keep next demo.
Okay, thank you, Eric. Okay, originally I would like to bring you to our component sites, but it's super crowded now. So I think we can start from our system products in the back of the site and come back later here. Here is engineered by our own team. They are called APEX series, and they are segmented from the different types, different computing power from low to high. And I'll leave the further introduction to our product PM called Andy. Okay.
Welcome. This product line is our newest AI product line. We call the APEX series. The solutions are based from NVIDIA, Qualcomm, or Intel. And these are mostly all wide temperature systems, AI systems. For Intel solutions, we offer CPU ranging from the 12th generation to the newest Intel Core Ultra 3 Panther Lake, which you see here. These are Intel Core Ultra 3 Panther Lake CPU, and they offer 180 TOPS without any additional GPU. Yes, our newest products, and is approximately gonna mass produce around Q3, end of Q3. And we are one of the first companies to mass produce this CPU-based system because we obtained the Intel Early Access Program.
After we see our own APEX series, we can move to that way to see our collaboration with NVIDIA Jetson Thor. We have a machine learning arm to do the AI training. Okay, this way, please, this way. To my colleague of our subsidiary, Atina, and she's Mago.
Hello everyone, this is Mago from Antina. So today I'm going to showcase our physical AI zone. So as you can see, here is a AI robotic arm systems developed together with NVIDIA and Franca Robotics. So this shows the perfect integration of AI and agent and digital human. So you can see this system utilizes the Super Edge AI server, which is on our right-hand side. There is our server runs for large language model, and you can see on the monitor, this is our digital avatar named Joy, act as the brain for reasoning, conversation, and understanding the environment. And also we have our Jetson Thor computing system here, powered by NVIDIA Jetson Thor modular. So this provides powerful computing performance and act as the cerebellum for motion control. So we also combined with our partner Stereolab 3D cameras and also our Franca robotic arms and Axis dexterous hand to demonstrate voice, vision, and robotic control at the edge for next generation smart factories. Yes, and then let's move a little bit forward to our 3D vision for robotics. 对，但我想说，丽莲要不要来？
哦，好啊，也可以在1分钟左右嘛。
Okay, so let's move a little bit forward. So this is also our this is our humanoid robot surround vision solution, and this is also utilize our Jetson Thor system. But we use 4 Stereolab 3D cameras via high bandwidth, low latency GMSL2 interfaces for real-time robotic control and human-like navigations. And over there, we have this lightweight VRM applications. So now you can use a compact device, mini systems for like space constrained area like construction site or small factories for powerful performance. And that would be all for Antina. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. And these are all the introduction covers our application and our partnership. And actually, as I have introduced that, we start our business from those modules, including memory, SSD, and now also the I/O modules and like camera modules. And we have placed all of our product in that wall. But actually, that way is really crowded. So if you have any interest in the component, I will recommend you guys to take a closer look at that way. And for this year's highlight, we have showcased our for DRAM, we have MRD. And also the CUDIN there, and also we have a CXL AIC, which is the add-in card to expand CXL interface on your own system. And also for our SSD, I mean the flash solutions, we also have our enterprise grade, the data center SSD that way. And if you take closer look, you can find it that way. So I'm not sure whether you have the time limit or okay, so we can just walk around there and take a closer look at our products. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you. If you have any specific problem, questions, sorry, you can ask me or ask any of our PM. They will be happy to introduce to you guys. Thank you. Thank you.